How to fix Instagram story not deleting in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. It's actually very easy. So all what you have to do is turn off Instagram and open the settings on your phone, and then go to the apps right here. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. After you click on Instagram, now all what you have to do is just click here on the permissions, and then make sure to enable all the permissions on this page, especially the camera and the storage, and then go to the data usage. Now on this page, make sure that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi is enabled. Go back and now click here on this force stop option and go to the power usage details and do the same thing down here. Click on force stop, and now turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.